Let's talk about my favorite creamy tactile switch. I never thought I would enjoy a tactile switch, but the switch we're talking about is the Gateron EF Grayish. These creamy sounding switches are very budget friendly. They come pre-lubed with a 60 gram actuation force. The top housing is made of PC and the bottom housing is made of nylon. And look how beautiful they look inside my keyboard. You honestly don't need to re-lube these switches. They come ready to rock and roll straight out of the box. So let me show you how they sound. Personally, I think these are a must buy, and you already know I'm gonna have that link down below for you.